What's up y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Wes. A few weeks back, I took down some LED strip lights I had in my room that I used for setting a vibe. So now I'm stuck with these ceiling lights which don't really do my room any justice. I decided to spice things up a bit and get myself a pair of these Nanoleaf lights. I got some Nanoleaf lines, not the panels, which I think, same but different. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of these, a quick review, and I'm going to show you guys how I customize my design in real time. The thing I'm most excited about is that these actually sync with music, which I've never really had before with any type of lighting device. So I'm super excited about that. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to hit that like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's run it. We got all these different sticks here, which are the different light panels, I assume. Okay. Quick layout of what we got going on here. We got the different panels that each stick will connect to based on the design that I look to set up. Golly, I don't know what I'm looking at here, but I think I'm gonna have to go back to my tutorial video, which this will pretty much be. Alrighty, let's check this out. So I read that you're supposed to set up the design before you actually place it on the wall. So we're gonna be doing that first right now. I looked up some few designs online. I think I'm gonna go with this type of zigzag line that some other people have done in the past. I think it looks pretty dope instead of creating like a more enclosed shape like that. So let's do that, and yeah, here we go. Okay, I see it. So there's different cables that you can see up close here, and there's a connector right here. So we're gonna actually try to plug this in together. There we go. Little click. Try the other side. And it just snaps on like that. So we have one stick here, and then to close this chunk off, we're actually going to close it in. Ooh, got a little lightsaber now. Let's go. Now to the next piece. I'm actually going to put together the shape of the full design that I want. So let's see. Stick here. And then finale. I think it's gonna look sick when we actually turn this on. All right, let's put this together. Damn. Alrighty, I connected it. She looking good, but I think we gotta tweak this up slightly. Alrighty, one sec. Alrighty, I fixed her up, and that's gonna be the final design. Woo! Sheesh. It's looking good. Ooh, all right. Let's lock these final connections in, and we'll be on our way to hanging on the wall. Let's get it. It's looking good. Power is right here. Let's see the buttons. Alrighty, let's go. Ooh, she's looking good. Let's get her up here. So, quick showcase of my room. I'm essentially gonna put these lights right up here, this blank spot. So, first things first, we gotta wipe it down. Let's go. Alrighty, before I clean the walls, I wanna show you guys this. I just plugged it in. So you see like the quick power button here. Turn this on. Oh my goodness. Holy. I'm so excited. I am freaking excited. Different angle here. Holy. Yep, gonna hang that on my wall right here. I didn't notice on the let's see here, instructions here is that because this thing is kind of long and all the stickers on the bottom, which is how I'm gonna actually stick it on the wall. I think I need 2 people to do this, because if I were to do this all by myself, there's no way I could stick all these different stickers on at the same time with just 2 hands. So I'm gonna have to wait. So I'll call our friend over, but oh man, look at that. So excited. Alrighty, my roommate's back, so we're gonna first clean up the wall with some alcohol. Shout out my roommate here for helping me out. Alright, basically I'm just gonna and the stickers are pretty much at the bottom. Gotta take all the stickers off real quick. Final product. Let's see it in action. Failed. It's not even connected yet. One sec. Alrighty. She's plugged in. Now let's see her in action. Ooh!
Shit.
Sheesh.
Okay.
Golly.
It's clean. Where's the control? Or does it just do its thing?
Nah, it does like a little, like I gotta play with the the functions.
Oh shit. Okay. Yeah.
It's stuck on white right now. I don't know why.
Yeah. Okay.
Ooh, that's a clean pick right there, yo.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
I mean, it's like backlit. It's cool.
Yeah, I think it'll be. Oh. Yeah, I gotta figure it out.
There's only one.
Oh shit!
Oh.
Oh damn!
$200, baby.
Oh. Yo.
Fuck.
That's. Yeah, that's bright.
That's fire. But yeah, it's fucking bright though. Holy shit.
Woo! All right. Let's play with some of the music features, but this thing is looking icy. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it looks great, but I've been trying to connect to sync my music for the last 15 minutes and this thing is not connecting. I think I got this down. I'm gonna go in here and we're actually gonna go into motions. And I'm gonna try out the streaking notes. Prism. We'll do streaking notes. Test. Ooh. Test. All right. Yo. Test. Let's go. Test. Test. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Alrighty. Now we in action, baby. Let's go. Alright, now to put on some music. Alright, let's play this quick mashup I made to see how this looks.
Say that you're gonna be. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my line. Yeah, I need the warning. But if you know you're lying, I need to argue all day. Try to keep my breath away. The noise in my mind.
Yeah. That's fire.
All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side.
Solid. So that's pretty much the end of this video. Honestly, setting up the lights physically and putting on the wall and customizing the design was the easy part. The hard part was connecting it to Wi-Fi to have the lights sync with your music. And I learned that you specifically need a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi in order to do so. And luckily my apartment had that. If you don't have a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi specifically, I don't think you'll be able to connect. So you might have to take the L. So that is a future note if you are looking to cop these lights. Anyways, if you did enjoy this content, don't forget to hit that like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.